I'm gonna make a video about install the shoe press on the multifunction heat press. First, you need to remove this icing from here. I think that part is easy, but I can explain now. You're gonna have a shoe press and two brackets, 4 bolts, and 4 wing nuts. That's what you get when you with this shoe press. First thing is you flip this over. You put in a shorter side match the hole, so like that. So the outer hole is more the outside. So this. Then you get the nut inside, loosely fasten. It means you put inside, maybe turn a few circles, so as long as they do not come out. Then do the one for the back, the same. This one to this side, or the same. This one. Okay, this one. Yeah, sorry about that. It's very difficult to do it by one hand. Okay. Then you flip this over. It's symmetric, so there's no front or back. You're trying to match the hole to get inside. Get inside, right inside. That's good. Okay. Then after that, you can see this. Then you can starting to tighten this two. You can tighten by finger more, so they keep tight. You do not need over tight, just tighten by finger. All this 4 is enough. So you tighten this 4, so much stable now. Then you put the wing nuts on the screw bar here. So all 4 of them, tighten. It's like that. Then you put your shoe here. Okay, I'm not demonstrate to you now, but here, like that. Thank you.